Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best Bluetooth FM transmitter available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, Nulaxi Bluetooth FM transmitter. This Bluetooth FM transmitter is a feature-packed upgrade for older vehicles, combining fast charging, wireless audio streaming, and hands-free calling in one compact device. With a powerful PD36W USB-C port and QC18W USB-A fast charging, it efficiently powers multiple devices simultaneously, making it ideal for long road trips or daily commutes. The Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity delivers faster pairing, stable connections, and noticeably improved audio quality for music and phone calls. A dedicated bass boost enhances low-frequency performance, while the 5-color LED lighting adds style and improves visibility during nighttime driving. Voice assistant support and tactile controls allow safer, distraction-free operation without taking your eyes off the road. Built-in protections against overheating, overcharging, and short circuits increase reliability, and compatibility with both 12V and 24V vehicles makes it suitable for most cars and trucks. Next up, we have Lincent Bluetooth FM transmitter. This Bluetooth FM transmitter is a practical all-in-one accessory that brings modern convenience to vehicles without built-in Bluetooth. It delivers stable wireless audio with CVC, noise suppression, and echo cancellation, producing clear hands-free calls while reducing background road noise. The transmitter supports multiple playback options, including Bluetooth, USB flash drives, and microSD cards, with compatibility for popular audio formats like MP3, FLAC, WAV, and AP, making it highly versatile for music lovers. Dual USB charging ports allow 2 devices to charge simultaneously, while integrated protections against overcurrent, overheating, overvoltage, and short circuits ensure reliable and safe charging. A built-in battery voltage monitor provides real-time insight into your vehicle's electrical health, helping prevent unexpected battery issues. The subtle blue ambient light improves visibility during nighttime driving without being distracting, and automatic Bluetooth reconnection makes daily use effortless. Coming in at number 3, Synquire Bluetooth FM transmitter. This Bluetooth FM transmitter is an impressive upgrade for drivers who want premium connectivity, fast charging, and enhanced audio without replacing their factory stereo. Equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology, it delivers ultra-fast pairing, stable low-latency connections, and crystal-clear music streaming with minimal signal loss. The dedicated bass boost produces rich, immersive hi-fi sound, while CVC noise suppression and echo cancellation ensure clear hands-free calls even on busy roads. Its dual charging ports, including a powerful 36W USB-C PD output and a 12W USB-A port, quickly recharge multiple devices with comprehensive safety protections against overheating, overcharging, and short circuits. The customizable rainbow ambient lighting adds a modern touch and can be turned off whenever desired for distraction-free nighttime driving. Automatic reconnection, intuitive controls, USB drive playback support, and dependable performance make this transmitter a practical and feature-rich solution for modernizing almost any vehicle, backed by long-term warranty coverage and reliable customer support. Now at number 4, Imden Bluetooth FM transmitter. This Bluetooth FM transmitter is an excellent choice for upgrading older vehicles with modern wireless connectivity, reliable charging, and convenient hands-free communication. Featuring the latest Bluetooth 6.0 technology, it delivers faster pairing, a stronger wireless connection, and stable audio transmission with minimal interference, ensuring smooth music playback and uninterrupted calls. The built-in CVC noise cancellation effectively reduces wind and road noise, making conversations noticeably clearer while keeping your focus on driving. An 18W QC 3.0 fast charging port quickly powers compatible smartphones, while the secondary USB port supports both standard charging and USB music playback from flash drives up to 64 gigabytes. Compatibility with MP3, WMA, and wave formats adds flexibility for offline listening. When paired with an unused FM frequency, the transmitter produces clean, consistent audio with minimal static. Combining dependable performance, practical charging options, and user-friendly controls in a compact design, it offers outstanding value for drivers looking to modernize their in-car entertainment experience without replacing the factory stereo. And finally, our last pick, Joyroom Bluetooth FM transmitter. This Bluetooth FM transmitter is a premium all-in-one solution for adding modern wireless connectivity to vehicles without built-in Bluetooth. Powered by Bluetooth 6.0, it delivers fast pairing, a stable connection, and low-latency audio for seamless music streaming and hands-free communication. The standout feature is its powerful 81W charging system, combining a 45W USB-C PD port and a 36W QC 3.0 port to rapidly charge two devices at once, making it ideal for road trips and busy commuters. Dual microphones paired with CVC 8.0 noise reduction provide exceptional call clarity by minimizing engine and road noise. Music enthusiasts will appreciate the one-touch bass boost and hi-fi stereo output, which create a richer, more immersive listening experience. A customizable 7-color LED light bar, battery voltage monitoring, and comprehensive safety protections add both convenience and reliability. Compatible with 12V and 24V vehicles, this transmitter is an excellent upgrade that blends performance, safety, and everyday practicality. So those are the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.